Lesson 2, Engineering Things That Move. On this lesson, students are going to work with the designs that they started in Lesson 1 for making a sailboat and experimenting with different designs and materials to make a sailboat that will go the furthest. The first thing students will need to do is to get into 2 groups of 2 so that for each bucket of water you've got 4 students working. Let students know they're going to need to design and test several sailboats during the lesson using different materials, different shapes and sizes of sails, and different designs and materials for the hulls as well. As they do this, they're going to make at least 7 as a pair and test them to see how they go. We are going to be integrating math with this, as they will be doing measurement to measure the distance the sailboat goes each time. I have one example here. Students will use, when they make them go, they're going to use a balloon pump. Remind them that for consistency and so that there is a constant, they will get 1 puff each time. For safety reasons, remind them they can only puff the air at the boat. When it's time to test them, students will put it in the water, use 1 puff of air, and then measure on the ruler how far it went. They will record their data in their student workbook, listing the materials that they used, the size and shape of the hull and the sail, and how far that it went. And they will continue to experiment. At the end of the lesson, students will come together and share their designs, share what single design worked the best for them, and then they will draw a picture. Each group of students will draw a picture of the design that was the most effective for them.